Namaste and a very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Maahi Ajudiya and I will be the host for the day. Today is Thursday, the 16th of September. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people." On this note, let's begin with our morning prayers.
विचारो सदा हो पवित्र
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य
कर्मो हमारा हो पुण्य विशुद्ध
निकर्मो हमारा हो पुण्य विशुद्ध
प्रभु हो हमारो आजीवन प्रबुद्ध
प्रभु हो हमारो आजीवन प्रबुद्ध
शांति नुवाजिंत्र बनिए
हमें तारी शांति नुवाजिंत्र बनिए
सदा स्नेह श्रद्धा ने आशा ने वरिए
सदा स्नेह श्रद्धा ने आशा ने वरिए
हमारो जीवन हो सदा सत्यनिष्ठ
हमारो जीवन हो सदा सत्यनिष्ठ
हमारो कवन हो प्रकाशे प्रतिष्ठा
हमारो कवन हो प्रकाशे प्रतिष्ठा
प्रभु सारी सृष्टि नु कल्याण थाए
प्रभु सारी सृष्टि नु कल्याण थाय
मळे सुख शांति ने संताप जाय
मळे सुख शांति ने संताप जाय
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरम जीवन
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरम जीवन
प्रभु सर्व काले त्रिवेणी रचाय
प्रभु सर्व काले त्रिवेणी रचाय
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य
Oh
theme for today is art as a form of self-expression. I invite Raja to tell us more about art as a form of self-expression.
Expressing yourself through dance, music, or painting is a form of unspoken communication that inspires others, lets people see someone for who they really are, to see them in their purest form. Art is a form of self-expression which allows us to explicate our inner selves, imagination, and emotions through visual means. Dance as a form of art expresses one's emotion through body movement and posture. Likewise, music is a constructive way to show who you are and who you are feeling. Having access to these arts allow one to freely express their emotion and individuality while stimulating cognitive skills at the same time. So the theme for today's assembly is art as a form of expression.
Thank you, Raja. Dancing is one of the most liberating and open ways to express feelings. Our first performance for today will be by Vedanshi and Parthi, who will be presenting a dance on the song Gujra Mohabbat Wala. Thank you for the delightful performance. Now I invite Devanshee, who will be presenting a dance performance on the song Galat Fahmi. That was amazing, Devanshee. Music provides an excellent platform for expressing oneself through creation. Every note and lyric represents something deeply personal to the artist. Now Kavya will present a music piece prepared by him on GarageBand. This music piece is made using software production composed of guitar, drums, and bass. Hope you enjoy it. That was wonderful, Kavya. Artwork is a visual form of imagination and self expression. It precedes oral language, making thoughts visible, allowing even the youngest children to communicate what they are feeling and their ideas. Kamya will now be presenting her artwork that she has made.
Hi Haley, how do you think I was as a tutor in this workshop?
I think that you helped us and you showed steps as slowly and very clearly. So there wasn't any major difficulties in understanding how to interact. So I think it was good.
Thank you, Kamya. Now I invite Nancy to come and recite a poem in English titled Afterwards by T.J. Clark.
Afterwards, by T.J. Clark. The sea in the wind, in the half light, clearing its throat of pebbles. Cloud shadows coming down the mountain with the steady speed of a paddle wheel. Light on the foothills already gone, so that you need not look at the seminary on top of the tallest, fat, square, and grey as a helping of lard. The roar from the beach stops suddenly, as if waves lost their nerve. On the dead branch of olive higher than the cycnias from where I sit. Its fingers pressed against the aquarium of the sky, then the sudden humanity of a bell struck twice, twice more. The rope rattling in its socket. Earlier on, I had colored the mountainside, crudely but fairly, getting at least the fall of the scree right, and the rasp of the sun across the cyst. Well, almost, I looked down at the painting now and tried to decide if the scene looks ready for the bell to sound. No scene ever is. Danger and chance are written on the face of things. Grass fires, fog, fault lines, winds from the north, clumps of the arthritic paintings. Havoc among the flowering onions, ghosts and the world descending to waterlessness and unwelcome summer, but not recurrence, not nature, not the order of service. A snarling of pebbles up from the beach again, as if the waves have decided they might still win. Then the bell from the village, the ropes strike off. Thank you.
that was beautiful. I now invite Tanya to come and recite a poem in Gujarati titled Kusumbino Rang.
નમસ્તે કસુંબીનો રંગ પોતાના દિવ્ય શક્તિઓથી સમગ્ર વિશ્વમાં ઉજાગર એવી ભારત માતાના ચરણોમાં કોટી કોટી વંદન અને લાખ લાખ વંદન એ ભારત માતાના સુપુતના ચરણોમાં જેમણે રાષ્ટ્રને પોતાનું પરિવાર માન્યું છે અને પરિવારના ખાતર પોતાની જાણ એક આહુતિ યજ્ઞમાં આપેલી છે. આ દરેકે દરેક શહીદ જ્યારે ઘરેથી નીકળ્યા હશે ત્યારે ચોક્કસપણે કહીને નીકળ્યા હશે કે નથી ખબર અમારે પથ શી આફત પડે છે, બસ ખબર છે એટલી કે માતાને હકાલ પડી છે. જીવે માં માવડી એક, મરવાની ઘડી આજ છે, બસ ખબર છે એટલી કે માતને હકાલ પડે છે. આપણા દેશમાં એવી સેંકડો માતાઓ છે, બહેનો છે, પત્નીઓ છે અને બાળકો છે જેમને નથી ખબર એમના ઘરેથી નીકળેલું સ્વજન જ્યારે સીમાડા ઉપર સમગ્ર દેશની રક્ષા કરી રહ્યું હોય છે ત્યારે પાછું ઘરે યુનિફોર્મમાં આવશે કે પછી તિરંગામાં લપટાયેલું આવશે. એ દરેકે દરેક શહીદ પોતાના દરેકે દરેક જીવનના ક્ષણ રાષ્ટ્રને સંપૂર્ણપણે સમર્પિત કરી ચૂક્યા છે. આપણા જીવનની ધન્યતા એ જ છે કે આપને આવા મોકાઓ મળી રહ્યા છે. આપણે આ રંગમાં રંગાઈશું અને જે ક્ષેત્રમાં છીએ એમાં નાનકડું પણ યોગદાન આપી શકશું તો પછી આપણે ગર્વથી કહી શકશું કે રાજ મને લાગ્યો કસુંબીનો રંગ, મને લાગ્યો કસુંબીનો રંગ. આભાર.
The Socho will be delivered by Hetvi, who will share with us how art forms is used in healing therapies.
While exercise works the body and meditation clears the mind, art helps with both. Art therapies are a means of communicating and expressing one's emotions and thoughts through therapies like dance therapy, expressive therapy, drama therapy, music therapy, and writing therapy. The goal of art therapy is to utilize the creative process to help people explore self-expression and in doing so find new ways to gain personal insight and develop new coping skills. The creation or appreciation of art is used to help people explore emotions, develop self-awareness, cope with stress, boost self-esteem, and work on social skills. Techniques used in art therapy can include coloring, doodling and scribbling, drawing, finger painting, painting, photography, sculpting, working with clay, listening to music, and dancing. Art therapy can be used to treat a wide range of mental disorders and psychological distress. In many cases, it might be used in conjunction with other psychotherapy techniques such as group therapy. Some conditions that art therapy may be used to treat include aging-related issues, anxiety, cancer, depression, eating disorders, emotional difficulties, family or relationship problems, medical conditions, psychological symptoms associated with other medical issues, post-traumatic stress disorder, psychological issues, stress, and substance use disorder, and the list could just go on. Less than an hour of creative activity can reduce your stress and have a positive effect on your mental health regardless of artistic experience or talent. Some situations in which art therapy might be utilized include adults experiencing severe stress, children experiencing behavioral or social problems at school or at home, children or adults who have experienced a traumatic event, children with learning disabilities, and individuals living with a brain injury.
Thank you, Hetvi. Please get ready for the national anthem.
Assembly Saudhan.
We now come to the end of today's assembly. Thank you all for joining us and have a great day ahead.